Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how you can quickly and securely log into your Creative Market shop. Without any hassle, welcome to our channel if you're ready to access your Creative Market shop and showcase your creative products to the world. The first step is logging in and managing your account with ease. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Creative Market's official website. Once you're on the home page, find the Login button typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to be directed to the login screen. Here you will enter your registered email address and your password. Make sure your credentials are entered correctly and take a moment to double-check for any typos. If you have forgotten your password, no worries, simply click on the Forgot Password link located just below the password field. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password securely. Once your details are entered correctly, hit the Login button to gain access to your account. After logging in, you will see your dashboard that allows you to manage your shop products, orders, and account settings. From this dashboard, you can upload new products, update your listings, respond to customer inquiries, and view your sales metrics. To keep your account secure, consider enabling two-factor authentication found under your account security settings. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code whenever you log in from a new device. If you ever wish to log out, simply click on your profile icon, usually at the top right, and select Log Out to ensure your account remains safe. When you're done, that's a quick and straightforward guide to logging into your Creative Market shop. Start practicing now to manage your creative sales effortlessly.